Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how you can make money from it for free and how you can actually start it from scratch. So guys, before I start, let me talk about something really important. I've been out for a while, about a week and a half, and that it's because I've been working on something really important that you're gonna see in a couple of days. So that's why I haven't been making any videos for a week and for the past week and a half. So you're gonna see some cool stuff in the next week or so. So watch out for that stuff. All right, so let's talk about this now. Before I start sharing this strategy and everything, let me tell you something. If you watch my YouTube channel, you know that I am not a fan of doing things for free, and it's simply because it makes things complicated, and also it's really painful. Okay, so you know that I first of all, I don't recommend starting affiliate marketing for free because it's a business and every business needs some investment. So don't think that just because you do it online you're going to be able to do it for free. But some people just don't, some people are not comfortable spending money, or they don't have the money to invest in. So it's okay, there are some ways to get started for free. That, again, these are things that I don't do, but there are some ways to get started for free. Okay, now another reason that I usually don't recommend starting for free is that the process of doing everything for free is so painful, and so it takes so long that most of people just give up. Okay, so if you're planning to do it for free, if you really cannot invest any money to start an affiliate marketing business and you want to do it for free, remember that it's going to take longer than usual. Okay, so it's really important because when I started like 5 years ago, it took me about, I think, 9 months to make my first commission, and that was because I was spending some money, but I was trying to do most of the things that I had to do for free. That was one of the biggest reasons that took me 9 months to make a $25 commission. So that's, again, I'm just putting this disclaimer. It's not gonna be instant. Okay, so let's get it started. So let me actually close this. So let me explain what's the best way. So the best way to actually start an affiliate marketing business for free from scratch is to just write reviews. Okay, now obviously you're not gonna, if you don't want to spend even a cent, you have to find a platform that you can publish on. YouTube and Medium are two places that you can really use in this case, and I have an example for you. So this is like one of the, I think, fastest ways that you can bring some commissions in. So what you do is you write a good article on Medium. Now let me actually bring up my video again. I gotta talk about this face to face. All right, so this part is really important, and this is the part that you have to spend a ton of time to get it right. Okay, now this is the important part. You have to spend time to write your articles really good, especially if you're not a writer, and if you don't want to pay another writer to write it for you, you have to invest a good amount of time to get this article right. You have to write nice headlines. Okay, so it's really important to get the SEO, or search engine optimization, right, because you're going to be using free traffic. You're not going to run any ads, right? So you're going to be using free traffic, so it's important to have a good title and write an article that people are actually going to read. Okay, now YouTube is another way. If you don't want to make your own videos, you got to pay someone else to do it, so that's not an option in this case. But if you can make your own videos, what you can do is you can publish some videos on YouTube, post some videos on YouTube, and just add it to the article that you're going to publish on Medium. Okay, so that's a good way. So again, write a good headline, write a good article, something that people are going to read, and promote a product inside that article. So I have a good example of it here right in front of you. So this is like an article that made me some good amount of commissions on Amazon. 5 unbelievable weird products to buy on Amazon. So it's like, some really, it's kind of pointless. The article itself is a little bit pointless, but it made me commission. So in this article, I'm like sharing some weird products, like products that are kind of unusual on Amazon. You can buy them. So again, there's the picture, there's the title. It's really simple. The whole point here is to get people to just come to the article and visit it and read it. Like, again, I got pictures. I'm keeping them engaged. right? So I have pictures, and then I have my affiliate links right here. So that's the first step, just writing a good article and having your affiliate links. This is my Amazon affiliate link. Having a good article and writing something good for it. Okay, so that's the first step. And the second step on Medium is that you need to go to, and I see it got a bunch of claps. So the second step is you want to go on Fiverr, and this is where you gotta spend some money. Like as I said, it's almost, I've mentioned this before, it's almost impossible to promote products, do affiliate marketing for free. So the easy way is you can pay $5. Okay, the camera is good. Okay, so you can pay $5 to go on Fiverr and just pay someone to give you some backlinks. That's really important, because when you write an article, you want to send traffic to it. And the best way to send traffic to it is send some backlinks, so people, so it's going to be recognized on Google search results, so you can get traffic from Google. Okay, so the best way is to go on Fiverr and just search for backlinks on Fiverr and just pay someone $5 to give you some good backlinks. Now, the hard way is you can go out and just get backlinks for yourself. Now, the way you could do it, again, this is something I haven't done for like in years, is that you can search Google how to get backlinks. And there are, like, again, I'm not into SEO that much, but there are a lot of different ways here, like leaving comments. Let me actually bring a video again. Okay, so there are a lot of different ways to get backlinks, like leaving comments on other people's posts, and adding value to someone else's blog post, and leaving a comment, having your URL as the website, having your Medium article URL as a website, or you can actually go on Quora and answer some questions. Okay, that's another way. That's not just going to give you backlinks, but it's going to give you some traffic too. So Quora is another way. There you go. Let me just open it up. There you go. So it's a free website. You just sign up for it, and you can just answer other people's questions and get traffic and backlinks. And another way would be leaving comments would be one. And also you can actually post videos on YouTube and have the URL to your Medium article inside in the description of the video. So that's one way, another way to get backlinks. So yeah, and also you can do guest posting. If you can find a good blog, and you can contact the blog owner and say, hey, I have a good article. I can write you a nice article and drop a link inside that article to my own Medium article. So that way, a lot of people say yes if you find a decent blog that is not getting obviously million viewers, because the larger the website is, the harder it's going to be to publish something on it. So you want to go after small bloggers. Okay, so yeah, you can offer them, and they most of the times they say yes, because they want someone to publish on their website, because it makes their job easier as a blogger. At the same time, it's beneficial to both sides, so it's a good thing. So that's how you get backlinks to your Medium articles, guys. So this is the simplest way. Again, publish an article on Medium, or make a video for it if you can, and just get some backlinks to it, and slowly, eventually, you're gonna get some traffic to your article, and you're gonna get some sales from that. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I wish I could actually just talk about this thing more, because there's a lot of moving parts, like how to write a good article, how to place your affiliate links in a way that is not going to sound too salesy, or all of that stuff. So there's a lot of small things that you got to figure out along the way. That's one of the downsides of doing everything for free. So I hope you figure it out. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you want to actually learn how I do everything in detail, if you want to learn how I make money in affiliate marketing, how I make 6 figures online every month doing affiliate marketing, promoting products that I don't know, you can check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to my course. You should definitely check it out. You're going to learn a lot of cool stuff. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, right? Leave in a comment. Like this video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you in the next video.